Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Organized by Darci, where we take the very simple and inexpensive and make it elegant. Today I'm repurposing two fall wreaths that I had purchased at Big Lots last year, and they were actually $18 for each of these wreaths. And today what I did was I purchased at Goodwill two other wreaths that were $3.99 that I'm going to be putting all the flowers together and making it 4 wreaths, 2 for the upstairs front door and 2 for the downstairs front door. So I'll show you as we go along, but hopefully they'll be able to I'll be able to put them together so they all look like fall wreaths as opposed to spring, which I think this one is. So let's get started. First, a very big thank you to Pam from Creative Homescaping for organizing this challenge. I'm always excited to participate in any type of challenge, and this is no exception. I enjoyed going to Goodwill, purchasing the old wreath, repurposing them, and having them look like this. So let me show you in detail what I had to work with, and you'll see where I'm at right now. I'm taking most of the floral from these two Goodwill wreaths, and I'm adding in some flowers that are fall colors into these wreaths, so that they will all look more or less like these two other wreaths. So as I go along, I'll show you, but right now most of the items I've taken off are just the spring colors that were on these two wreaths. These are all the colors, the flowers that I took off the two wreaths, and so I am going to put these in a box that I can use perhaps for spring next year. The wreaths are getting closer to looking like fall wreaths here, so I'm just adding some more colors in, and then I'll be able to compare them with these other two wreaths. I've added some white flowers in these two other wreaths to kind of let them all blend a little bit together. So this is the stage that they're at. All 4 wreaths are on the table here, and I'm just adding as I go along, and then I will take a look at the final step in just a few more minutes. I've just completed all 4 wreaths. This is what they all look like. Remember, these two were purchased at Big Lots, and so I didn't have to do much with them, but the 2 from the Goodwill Store, I had to pretty much take them all down and redo them. I think I prefer them a little bit more than the ones from Big Lots because they seem to have a little bit more greenery in them. So we'll see which one goes on the upstairs door and which one goes on the downstairs doors. So let's add them on to both doors and we'll see exactly what they look like. These are the summer wreaths that I'm taking down from the front door, and I'm putting up the new fall wreaths. These are my 2 patriotic wreaths that I'm taking down to put up the 2 fall wreaths on this upstairs front balcony. So I'm going to switch them around right now. These have been up there since July 4th, and I was planning to keep them until Labor Day, which is in a couple days. but since I'm doing the downstairs wreath, I thought I'll change everything at the same time. And these are the 2 fall wreaths that I have replaced the 2 patriotic wreaths on this upstairs balcony front door. So I have 2 downstairs and now 2 upstairs. And these are the ones from Goodwill that were $3.99, and I had all the extra leaves here, so these are things I already had. So for less than $5 a piece, or less than $4 actually, I am able to put up 2 new wreaths on the upstairs front balcony. These are the 2 fall wreaths that I have replaced the 2 summer wreaths that are on this front door. And so these were all ready for fall. 2 on the front door downstairs and 2 on the front balcony upstairs. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you'll take the time to subscribe to my channel just by pressing that subscribe button below. Hope you're having a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you again next time in our next video. Goodbye, and of course, goodbye.